So today we are at Glacier National and we're going to do some kayaking. There's the lake. It's super cold. I'm in shorts. I was not prepared for this, apparently. So we're going to go down here and we're going to check out where we get our boat from. And we're going to do some kayaking. It'll be pretty interesting, pretty fun. Are you ready? You ready for kayaking?
Yeah.
Eric, you ready?
Oh yeah.
Creep. He's such a creep. We're ready to do it. Here, check out these rocks. It's beautiful out here. It is. It's beautiful out here. And away we go. As far as I can push you. Oh shit, no! I was not falling in today. That rock moved on me. Baby, got your oar?
Yeah.
Looks like a skateboard. Oh, that worked. There's two of us. It's harder to do. We just gotta get out further. We'll get there. There we go. All right, we're floating now. We're floating now. Hey, the water's actually not that bad.
Oh, that was a good
It's
skipper.
definitely not as cold as I thought it was gonna be. What? Oh, are you good? I'm getting myself wet. You're not getting me wet. Every time I lift my paddle up, it drips on me. Kayak races! Go, 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 go! Yeah, I can't believe they said that we're 400 feet deep. That's crazy. Holy crap, baby, you're rocking the boat. Oh, you got hit in the face with a bug. I always get hit in the face with bugs. There we go.
The wind keeps shifting me out of position.
Don't blame it on the wind. The wind's not shifting us out of position. Pull his boat. I said pull his boat.
All I'm gonna say is if you splash me, I'll splash you.
I didn't say splash. I'm already wet, dude. My legs are soaked.
Yeah, but if I get hurt panicking, she'll flip the boat.
Don't fucking do that shit. We gotta catch up to the pros up there. Oh shit. It's so pretty out here.
I feel like this is a good time to take a picture.
Sure. Is that guy standing up out there? He's got a paddle boat. Straight ahead.
Yeah.
Game on! No, 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 no. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Sunk my battle.
Babe,
Okay.
don't you?
He got us first.
I know, but don't you start.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Hey, Eric! How you doing? You all right over there? Did the wind take you over there? Okay. Let's make sure. What is that? There's something big and white right there. Something really white right there on the bottom. There it goes. So this is Lake McDonald. It's a really big lake. It's really nice out here. It's still smoky. Smoke's actually come in a little bit more than what we were hoping. And throughout the day we thought it would clear up, but it hasn't. The wind shifted and it's really smoky. Check it out. It's still really nice though. Still really nice. Got the mountains in the far background. This one's over here. You can't really see the rocks too well. It's supposed to have the colored rocks, but they're more in the front part of the lake than over here. Still pretty though. Speaking of pretty.
Hey, babe.
She's pretty. Let's take a walk. See if we find any creatures. Saw a chipmunk earlier. I've never seen a chipmunk in real life. Well, maybe at a zoo, but nothing in person. Check out these trees. Look how big these trees are. That's really cool. Super cool. Straight up and down. Ooh, look at that big old feather. That's a big feather. It's from a big bird there. Apparently there's some eagles around here somewhere. It's a nice place out here. We're gonna go the road to the sun here in about 30 minutes and get some more video, get some good pictures. So it'll be a good time. It's a nice calm day. It's very relaxing out here. So if you guys need some place to get away and you like the mountains, this is the place to be. It's definitely gorgeous out here.